Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Apex Autos. The legend is back. The 2026 Honda S2000 makes a triumphant return after years of speculation, and it's nothing short of a modern classic reborn, with a sleek, aggressive redesign that nods to the original Roadster. Honda's newest S2000 blends performance, technology, and driving purity. Under the hood, the 2026 S2000 comes with a 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4, derived from the Civic Type R, but finely tuned for this rear-wheel drive platform. It pushes out 330 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. Mated to a 6-speed manual transmission, it revs all the way to 7,500 RPM. Delivering that high revving thrill S2000 fans crave. Expect 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, and a top speed around 165 miles per hour. The chassis is entirely new, lightweight aluminum-intensive construction, balanced weight distribution, and a double wishbone suspension front and rear. The steering is quick and direct, and adaptive dampers keep their ride composed whether you're carving a canyon or hitting the track. Inside, the cabin blends minimalism with modern tech. There's a fully digital 10.2-inch instrument cluster, a floating 9-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and premium materials all around. A think Alcantara, brushed aluminium, and contrast-stitched leather. Bucket-style sport seats hug you in place, and a manual soft top drops down in seconds. For audiophiles, Honda has partnered with Bose to offer a 10-speaker premium sound system, but the real soundtrack comes from the exhaust tuned to deliver a deep, mechanical note without artificial enhancement. Now let's talk price. The base model of the 2026 Honda S2000 is expected to start at around $48,000. A performance-oriented S2000 Type S variant, with upgraded brakes, a carbon fiber aero kit, and semi-slick tires, could reach up to $58,000. Optional packages include carbon ceramic brakes at $5,000. Forged alloy wheels for $2,500, and a track pack with additional cooling and telemetry for $4,200. The return of the S2000 isn't just a nod to the past, it's a signal to the future of driver-focused cars in a world leaning toward automation and electrification. For enthusiasts, it's one of the most exciting releases of the decade. Would you daily it? Or is this your weekend warrior? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the cars that matter.